Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm sitting on an all-new Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, or as I like to call it, the perfect Florida Gulf Coast fishing machine. Hop on board and let's get this party started. There's a lot of guarantees in this world. Death, taxes, me getting fired up about a Mercury engine on a Boston Whaler. But this stands especially true right now with these twin Mercury 300 V8 Verados on the back of a 280 Outrage. Now, you're still gonna have that high top end, but with the new naturally aspirated engines, you're gonna have a really impressive mid-range, a sick hole shot, and an increased fuel economy. You know it's a great day in the office when you can come on in the morning, get your cup of coffee, socialize a little bit with your friends, and hang out on some new inventory. This is the life, guys. Personally, I spec'd out this boat, and that's why I had it just as I would spec it out if it was for me. On the west coast of Florida, we are primarily a live bait fishery. That's why there's multiple live wells, not just one. Got a really big live well back here above the tackle prep station, right next to the sink. We've got a secondary well towards the aft of the boat. Keep the baits nice and alive, give them plenty of room to swim around. As you saw earlier, we've got a seat back here for the long rides to and from the fishing grounds here in the Gulf of Mexico, whether that's heading out to the middle grounds, maybe even down south a little bit for your pelagics. Also, gets really hot here in Florida in the summertime. You're gonna wanna keep all that fish and ice cold. That's why we have two huge in-deck fish boxes. I've spent a lot of time behind the wheel, especially in some not so desirable weather on a 280 Outrage, whether it's competitive kingfish tournament fishing, grouper fishing out in the middle ground. Shout out Jen and Dennis, love you guys. The 280 Outrage by Boston Whaler is without a doubt the largest riding sub 30-foot center console there is out in the water. Each and every one of these boats is gonna come spec'd out a little different from the Boston Whaler factory. This particular one already ready to go with the Raymarine screen right here, Mercury vessel view over here, and of course the Mercury joystick piloting system over here, which takes absolutely all the stress out of docking. Up inside the center console, or down inside I should say, got plenty of room for storage and of course a head. Well, everybody's getting the deck buddy back there. It's really important to have family capabilities for the wife and kids towards the bow of the boat, or maybe even yourself. Got a massive sun pad right there. Why is that important? Let's hit on the functionality a little bit. Yes, you have a great deal of storage down beneath there, but when they switch this up on a Boston Whaler Outrage, that allows you to use that space underneath the center console as a head without having to throw your clutter in there. Once again, I'm gonna hit on the importance of having a boat that's catered to the west coast of Florida. Now, it's a bottom fishery. You're dropping the anchor over and over again. You're getting the groupers, the snappers, all your wreck and reef fish. You're probably moving 5-10 times a day. So, if you don't want to throw your back out, you need to have a windlass automatic anchor hauling system. You got controls up here, and at the helm, this is a bottom fisherman's dream. If you are in the market for a mid-size center console that has the capabilities of just about anything else on the water, congratulations, your search is over. Once again, this is a 280 Outrage from Boston Whaler. I'm Captain Nick from MarineMax St. Petersburg. Do yourself a favor, wait for the rough weather to come in, give me a call, and let's take this boat out in the slop. Bye guys.